How are we doing, folks? James Power here again, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 2019 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. Now let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front LED headlights, the M Sport front bumper, front parking sensors, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the blue M Sport brake pads and the M Sport badging, the privacy glass in the rear with the black trim tint, the eDrive badging. Around to the back you have the 530e badging, the rear LED taillights, the automatic boot, the twin exhausts and the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. Now let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, we're inside. You can see the fully digital cockpit that comes in a comfort mode, an a sports mode and an Eco Pro mode. The BMW multifunctional M Sport paddle shift steering wheel, the customizable ambient lighting, right now it's in blue. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with an blue M Sport stitch and a platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers. You have the BMW teleservice on board, fully touchscreen. You have the sat-nav navigation. You also have the 360-degree parking sensors. You have the BMW iDrive system, the e-brake, heated seats, air conditioning, CD player, enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, the BMW pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system, keyless push-button start ignition, and many other extras. Yeah folks, that was just a quick look around this 191 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Dealer for Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed it.